Hey guys, I'm Barsha and today I'm going to show how you can clean your makeup brushes. So let me ask you, when was the last time you washed your makeup brushes? Honestly, I too have some cheat days and when I just keep kinda putting it off for a later time. But I have been quite serious about making this a habit and you should do too. But first, the most important question, why do it? Well, I have learned the hard way not washing my makeup brushes and blenders meant rashes and breakouts. Yes, and that's not pretty. Those brushes combined with makeup products, it makes for a deadly combination of bacteria that can cause acne, breakouts, clogged pores. Gross, right? That's exactly why you got to do. Now, after discussing why it's so important to wash your makeup brushes, another important question is how often. Cleaning makeup brushes at least every 7 to 10 days. Especially those tools that you use daily like your foundation or powder brushes. You can clean your eye makeup or concealer brushes twice a month and any other brushes at least once a month. And now for the most important part, how to do it. So let's start the video. Take a bowl full of lukewarm water, add a little amount of mild face wash or shampoo and dip your brushes and sponge into it and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Take all the brushes and rub gently against the cleanser pad or tea strainer. And wash it with normal water. Now take the sponge and wash it to avoid touching your nails. So guys, I hope you like the video. If you're someone who is guilty of never cleaning your beauty tools, now is the time to get started. But before you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Barsha Creation.